Good morning. The Watsons Go to Birmingham. This is by Christopher Paul Curtis. And this book is a historical fiction book wrote back in the 1960s. As a matter of fact, the title is The Watsons Go to Birmingham, 1963. The author of this book has won Newbery Awards and Coretta Scott King Awards, so I feel like it's a good read. But I wanted to just tell you a little bit about it. Now, this story in this book, we have a family, a mom, a dad. We have a little sister, Joetta. We have the middle child, his name's Kenny, and then we also have Byron. Well, now, Kenny's the smart kid. Now, I want you to, they all live in Flint, Michigan. Now, Kenny's the smart kid, and he very seldom gets in trouble. But Byron, he's just the opposite. He's always getting into trouble. He always picks on Kenny, finds just new ways to start trouble. Kenny even started calling him the 13-year-old official juvenile delinquent. Byron likes to have fantastic adventures, but unfortunately, these adventures have caused a lot of trouble. He even started playing with matches. That's not a good thing. He also took his parents' credit card and went and bought him some snacks and a conch haircut. Do you know what a conch haircut is? If not, look it up, because I had to. Well, finally, Kenny's parents got fed up. They decided to take him to Birmingham, Alabama to meet his grandmother and let her handle him. Well, Kenny couldn't wait to get to Birmingham, Alabama, because he wanted to see how this battle between grandma and brother was going to turn out. But in 1963, you have to remember there was also other battles going on, like the Civil Rights Movement. And no place was safe then, not even churches. Well, one Sunday morning, their sister, Joetta, decided to go to Sunday school on 16th Street Baptist. It was a Baptist church. And that was the same day the Klansmen decided to bomb the church. Sad day. Kenny, he wanders in after the explosion, and he tries to find his sister. Then all of a sudden he sees something moving, and it shakes him to the core. Now, will Kenny find his sister? Where is Joetta? What would the family do now after all this? Find out when you read The Watsons Go to Birmingham, 1963, by Christopher Paul Curtis.